If you are wondering how you can make passive income in 2024, the best and easiest way to do it is by starting a faceless YouTube channel. Creators are making thousands of dollars with YouTube Shorts channel like Living Wisdom and Coats have made millions of dollars using these faceless YouTube channels. The only issue is that these niches are highly saturated now. Those who started these niches first have gained a lot of success in the first few months. That's why I decided to create this video about this undiscovered niche. To start, this YouTube niche is 100% monetizable. But take note that making money from YouTube is not an easy process. You cannot go ahead and do it overnight. So what I'm about to tell you is 100% monetizable. But you have to be consistent when uploading these videos. So guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you how you can make passive income with new viral niche. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. But first things first, let's go ahead and watch this example video.
Beyond a heavenly bite. No Lisbon experience is complete without indulging in the legendary Pastel de Belém, the city's signature custard tarts. Head to the Antiga Confeitaria de Belém, the original bakery where this secret recipe has been guarded for generations. Savor the crispy crust and the creamy decadent filling, a taste of pure bliss. If you encounter long lines, don't despair. Lisbon offers many other delectable pastries. Explore the Mantigaria district, famous for its traditional bakeries, and discover your own favorite custard tart.
So to proceed, you want to head over to ChatGPT, and this is where we'll go ahead and generate our ideas. You want to type create a list of 50 popular and important places, building, bridges, and historical buildings around the world. You want to hit on the send button and wait for the ChatGPT to do its thing. And right after, you want to follow up with this prompt. Create a 60-second video script about the topic that you want to create from any of these video ideas. So in this example, we are going to use Pompeii. Focus on educating the viewer about this place and make sure the script is engaging with a good hook that will make the viewer watch the full video. Make the script more natural, don't use complex words. The script should be easy to understand. The script should only include the voice and don't add any editing direction or stage direction. Once again, you want to hit on the send button and wait for the ChatGPT to do its thing. And right after, we are going to generate our voice. Once again, your voice have to be realistic. Because if you have a robotic voice in your video, there's a higher chance that your video won't be monetized. So for this step, we are going to use 11 Labs. You want to head over to their website, and inside we can start pasting what we got from ChatGPT. But first, you must choose your preferred voice. If you click on this pop-up menu, you can then go ahead and see a lot of voices. These voices are the preset voice. You can choose any one of this voice if you want to. If you want to listen to them, you can just go ahead and click on the play button.
Allow the world to live as
But these are not normal time.
logic will get you.
Ideas are the beginning point.
But if you don't want any of these preset voices, you can then head over to the voices category. Inside voices, you want to click on voice library. And in here, you will then go ahead and see a lot of voices. First things first, we have our categories. For the first one, we have the narrative and story, conversational, character and animation, social media, and more. You want to select the appropriate category, and right after, you can just go ahead and select to the tons and tons of voices that they have right here. If you want to listen to any one of these voices, you can then go ahead and click on the sample button. But once you have chosen your preferred voice, you can then go ahead and click on add to voice lab. And in here, you can then go ahead and name your voice to any name you want to. Right after, you want to click on add voice. And so guys, the last thing to do in this website is to copy everything that we got from ChatGPT, and you want to paste it into the text box right here. You want to modify your voice by clicking on this pop-up menu, and you can just go ahead and click on generate speech. And so after generating your video, you want to click on the download button. And with all that out of the way, we can now go ahead and proceed with our last step. For this step, we are going to combine everything from our voices to our clips. But if you have a question, where will we get our free clips or our stock videos, you can just go ahead and get them from Faceless.com. In here, you want to search your preferred stocks. For example, we have the Pompeii topic. So if I go ahead and search Pompeii in this website, it will take me to a lot of free Pompeii videos. So you can just go ahead and start downloading videos from Faceless.com or any other stock websites that you can go ahead and find. But if you want to make your video extraordinary, you want to head over to Google Studios. Inside Google Studio Earth, you want to click on Try Earth Studio. After logging into your account, you will then be prompted to the information tab right here. You can just go ahead and put the necessary information for this website. In here, you want to click on the pop-up menu under blank projects, click on quick starts, and you want to select the zoom to option. Click on the start button. And right after, you can then go ahead and search to the point of your interest. And in our case, we are going to be searching for Pompeii. Proceed by clicking on the next button. And in here, you can then go ahead and select your starting altitude. So if you want to start from this far out, you can then go ahead and select this specific altitude. But I don't want to start it from this far, so I'll just go ahead and reduce mine to around this altitude. If you're ready to proceed, you want to click on the next button. And so lastly, we have the duration of the zoom in effect. In our case, it is going to be 5 seconds, but you can just modify this the way you want to. Right after, you want to proceed by clicking on the check icon. And from here, we can then go ahead and edit out this specific video. Now if you're ready, you want to click on the render button and you should be good to go. Now take note that some of the places have 3D renderings, but unfortunately, Pompeii doesn't have any. It only has this satellite view. So guys, the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and put everything into your editor. If you have something like Adobe Premiere Pro, or if you even have something like CapCut, we can just go ahead and use that. To proceed, you want to start dragging our clips into our timeline. So in my case, I'll drag the video from Earth Studio first into my timeline to get an engaging hook to the viewers. Right after, drag your audio into our timeline and follow up with some stock footages that we got from some websites. But to make everything better, you can just go ahead and add some subtitles. To proceed, you want to click on text, and in here click on auto captions, select your language and click on generate. Right after, you can then go ahead and choose from these templates that we have right here. But to make the video more interesting, we can just go ahead and add some transitions between our videos. So for our first video and for our second clip, you can then go ahead and click on transitions, and from here you can then go ahead and select from the templates that they have. For example, if you select the swipe left transition and you drag it between your clips, it will automatically apply that transition into our video. So if we click on the play button,
Preserved. Welcome to Pompeii.
we'll go ahead and get that interesting result. So guys, the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and export the video and upload it to your YouTube channel. But once again, you cannot go ahead and get monetized within a day. You must stay consistent when uploading these videos, and in no time you will go ahead and get monetized on YouTube. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.